Just like I written it down. 500 kgs of nitro. Or let's say 500 grams.
Oh no!
The writings are a bit scrappy. You'll be right.
Here we go.
She's gonna blow.
Oh, she's gonna blow! She's gonna blow! Oh! Alright, that was good. Best one of these by far. Yeah, we're moving on like this.
Let's say 500 grams. The writings are a bit scrappy. She'll be right. She's gonna blow.
Here we go. We're about to go fast. Oh! Just not there yet, folks. Hands up, come on, hands up. Oh, yeah.